So here's how to find average in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the cell that you want to put your average in. Then right after that, you need to go to the Home tab, and simply on the right side, you will probably see the auto sum option. From there, you need to select the average. Simply select the average, and then as you can see, we got the average of the sides of these columns. So right after that, simply hit enter and you got your average. So if you want just like that and you want to average all of these two, so what you can do, simply go and select the cell that you recently make average in, then move your cursor onto the right side like this, right corner I should say, then simply drag it down like that and you got your average like that. So that's how you can simply do it. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.